forces of nature. Physics is the study of forces. All forces which we come across are derived from four fundamental forces: gravitational force, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force, and weak nuclear force. Gravitational force is a force characterized by mutual attraction of bodies with masses. Here, Earth and the ball attract each other. Gravitational force is universal in nature. All objects exert gravitational force on each other. Electromagnetic forces are forces which exist between charged objects. The animation illustrates electromagnetic force between two current-carrying wires. Electric and magnetic fields are inseparable from each other, and hence the force exerted is known as electromagnetic force. While gravitational force is always attractive, electromagnetic force can be attractive or repulsive.
Strong nuclear force. In an atom, the protons feel a repulsive force from other neighboring protons. Therefore, if there isn't any force holding the protons and the neutrons together, the nucleus will become very unstable due to repulsion. This force cannot be gravity, as gravitational force is very negligible as compared to the electric force. This strong nuclear force is about 100 times stronger than electromagnetic force and is the strongest of all the forces in nature. The strong nuclear force is created between nucleons by the exchange of particles called mesons. The range of nuclear force is extremely small. It acts over distances in the range of 10 raised to minus 15 meters. The strong nuclear force makes the nucleus stable. It does not depend on the charge of the nucleon. It acts equally between two neutrons, two protons, or between a proton and a neutron. Weak nuclear force. The weak force is responsible for radioactive decay called beta decay, during which the nucleus emits an electron and an uncharged particle called neutrino. This weak nuclear force is weaker than strong nuclear force and electromagnetic force. However, it is stronger than gravitational force. It acts over extremely small distances of the order of 10 raised to minus 16 meters.